Hey guys, welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Today for you on this day we happen to have one of our 408 Windsor stroker motors. This thing absolutely came out sweet looking and it runs fabulous. This is the second motor on the new dyno setup that we just got done installing from your dyno, and this thing's working absolutely fabulously. Let me go over a little bit about the way the motor set up. We did the 351 Windsor block. We did the Eagle stroker rotating assembly. We got the AFR aluminum cylinder heads on here. A custom ground hydraulic roller camshaft from Comp. Finished the top end off with the Edelbrock Airgap intake, the Sniper II EFI, and this gentleman chose to go with the CVF black serpentine system to make this thing look absolutely amazing looking. If you're interested in having one of these designed for your ride, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-267-3940. Let's take over done running.
Pull it. I got your 408 Windsor on dyno. We got our new dyno board up and running. Let's fire it up and give you a run demo.